Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that trips up so many English learners, especially here in Nigeria. We're talking about those tricky little words called prepositions. So, what are prepositions? Think of them as relationship words. They are small but powerful words like at, in, and on, and they show the relationship between nouns, pronouns, and other words in a sentence. They tell us about time, place, and direction. Getting them right is a game changer for sounding fluent and natural in English. Let's jump right into a very common point of confusion. Do you say, I am at school or I am in school? Now, both can be correct, but they mean different things. If you are physically inside the school building at this moment, you could say, I am at the school. But when you're talking about your status as a student, the correct phrasing is I am in school. For example, if someone asks what your younger brother does, you'd say, he is in school, meaning he is a student. You wouldn't say, he is at school unless you're specifying his exact location at that moment. This is a subtle but important difference that many Nigerian speakers mix up. So remember, to describe your status as a student, use in school. Now, let's talk about prepositions of time. This is where on and at really cause some headaches. But there's a simple rule of thumb to help you remember. We use on for specific days and dates. Think of it like this: the event is placed as a specific day in the calendar. For example, our class is on Monday. My birthday is on the 15th of October. We have a public holiday on Independence Day. If it's a day or a specific date, on is your go-to preposition. Next up, we use in for longer periods of time, like months, years, seasons, and decades. Think of it as being asterisk in a larger block of time. For instance, the WEAC examinations usually hold in May. She was born in 1998. In the 90s, the music was amazing. We like to travel in the dry season. So, for months, years, and seasons, remember to use in. Finally, we use at for specific, precise times of the day. Think of it as pointing exact moment on the clock. For example, class starts at 8 a.m. sharp. The movie will begin at 7:30 p.m. I'll meet you at noon. So, for clock times, at is the correct choice. Let's do a quick recap on for days and dates. In for months, years, and seasons. At for specific times. It's like a pyramid, starting broad with in, getting more specific with on, and pinpointing the exact moment with at. Let's move on to another couple of common errors I hear all the time. The first one is with the verb wait. So many people say, I am waiting on you. While this phrase is used in some contexts, like a waiter waiting on tables, the standard and correct way to say you are expecting someone is,
I am waiting for you.
So, next time you're standing outside and your friend is late, you text them, where are you? I'm waiting for you. Not waiting on you. The second one is about expressing skill or ability. You might hear someone say, Kiamaka is good in mathematics. This is incorrect. When you are describing proficiency in a subject or an activity, the correct preposition is at. So, the correct sentence is, Kiamaka is good
at mathematics.
Similarly, you would say, he is amazing at playing the guitar, or she is brilliant at public speaking.
You are good at something.
It's a fixed expression, so commit it to memory. Mastering these small words, these prepositions, truly makes a big difference in your spoken and written English. It's one of those details that separates a good English speaker from a great one. It shows you have a finer command of the language. Alright, now it's time to test your knowledge. Let's see if you've been paying attention. I'm going to give you a few questions. Pause the video after each one, think about your answer, and then we'll review them together. Question 1, fill in the blank. The meeting will hold underscore Friday. Is it A at, B in, C on, or D by? Did you get it? The correct answer is C on. Because Friday is a day of the week, we use on. The meeting will hold on Friday. Question 2. Which of these sentences is correct? A. She is good in English. B. She is good at English. C. She is good on English. D. She is good for English. The correct answer is B. She is good at English.
Remember, we are good at a subject or a skill.
Question 3. How would you correct this sentence? I will travel to Abuja at December. Is the correction A. I will travel to Abuja on December. B. I will travel to Abuja by December. C. I will travel to Abuja in December. Or D. I will travel to Abuja for December. The right answer is C. I will travel to Abuja in December. December is a month, which is a longer period, so we use in. And our final question, number 4, choose the right preposition. Please wait outside the hall. Is it A for, B on, C at, or D with? You've got it. The answer is A for. Please wait for me. How did you do? Let me know your score in the comments below. Don't worry if you didn't get them all right. The key is to practice. Start listening for these prepositions when you watch movies or read books. Try to use them correctly when you speak and write. The more you use them, the more natural they will become. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this lesson was helpful and cleared up some of your doubts about prepositions. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
Don't struggle alone. At PathPass Academy, we make learning easier, with thousands of e-learning videos, a 24/7 AI tutor, and a virtual lab that helps you understand, not just memorize. Join now at www.pathpassacademy.com and start learning your way to success.